not sleep last night. I'm so tired. And
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be holding off our boarding. Looks like the jet bridge is now backed up, which is an indication passenger.
Boarding zone listed there. You'll just board with that seat request card.
so we made it to Indiana. No, Minnesota. Okay, I just called Todd and he is ready to go. I was taking my time looking around everywhere, but he has the car, is ready to go. And so just super excited. Oh. Yeah. Started off with some fried pickles.
You have to eat all of them.
Alright, Todd got this awesome bacon burger.
This thing's ridiculous.
My pizza looks pretty great too. Okay, so just got to my hotel room. I kinda don't like, sometimes I'm like, oh, I wish I could bring friends. My room is so awesome. Right now, like, my bed is so big, I wish I had friends that came with me on trips. But, don't know what time I have to be at the event tomorrow. Ooh, got the shells. Oh, that's interesting. But yeah, I think I am going to shower, get ready for bed, and probably be up by 7. Okay, so I woke up so late. I have like 10 minutes until my ride comes, so let's get ready super quick. Oh my god, I have like 10 minutes to get ready. But I also am such a like forgetful person because I'll do my contour and then forget to blend it. Don't really feel like that's true. And it's not just makeup, it's everything. Did you know that the Egyptians would wear eyeliner to protect them from the sun? And that's why cheetahs have the black under their eyes to protect them. Why is this wet? Add more blush to the mix. I forgot. Actually, I'm gonna get dressed really quick. BRB. What am I supposed to fucking do with this right now? Oh yeah, it's cold out there. Oh, Todd's here, yay! Anyway, I forgot to grab a slice of pizza. Todd's here and we are ready! Todd, did you go swimming last night?
Not last night, no. That was gonna be my morning.
Did you go this morning?
I did not. When I realized the time change at whatever time I woke up this morning and that it was 2 hours.
No, we're 3 hours.
Is it?
Yeah, it's 3 hours.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think it's only 2. I think you're messed up. It's 2.
I'm gonna check, but I'm pretty sure. So apparently, okay, so
Hold
Todd,
on. How do you know this? What did you just check?
the weather app, because if you go to the weather app, it'll tell you the time. So I checked the weather. I checked the weather where I live in Oakland, which is like same time. Anyway, so 3 hours. So I went to sleep around 2. Todd went to sleep like right away. It was probably that burger. That burger just knocked you out. I kept thinking about the pizza. I was like, I should have one more slice.
Burger and the beer. The beer helped, I'll be honest. I had a beer with dinner and that definitely, it definitely helped.
And this is Todd. Todd is part of the communications and marketing team at Blazer. And luckily, I have somebody that I know, so I am not lost and I can get around.
Well, you're saying that as if though I know what I'm doing.
Well, I mean, we didn't get lost yesterday, and it seems like we're on the right track.
We haven't gotten lost yet.
Yes. But we're on the right track.
I think we did it. Siri helped.
We're on the right track now. But so the ribbon cutting is at 10 a.m. and then we have brunch afterwards, and then
shaking hands, kissing babies.
Kissing babies, shaking hands afterwards.
And then dinner later.
Dinner is at 7. I gotta get another slice of pizza on me before then, though. So I hope we come back to the hotel and then go to the dinner.
I think we've got plenty of time in between.
Hopefully.
Pretty sure.
And it is super cold here. It's probably like 30 something, 48. It's 48. Yeah, it's pretty cold.
It's cold.
It's pretty cold, yeah.
It's definitely colder than the beach where I live.
And it's well,
there's no clouds. It's not. It looks nice,
but it's not snowing yet. And all the trees are like yellow and orange, so it's super cute. So the ribbon cutting is at 10 a.m. We're about, I don't know, 10 minutes away, 20 minutes away.
We're lagging a little bit.
Cutting it close because Todd woke up late, but anyway.
I didn't wake up late. I was just a little slow.
I woke up I got up at 8:45. I was like, no, when you texted me, I was like, yes, more time, thank God.
Oh, and yeah. No, I was just a little slow getting ready.
So we will see you guys in a little bit.
CME partner parking, that's us. They're super strict.
You can't even make like a new shield to go where the door goes, or to stick your camera through type of thing.
I haven't actually been there yet to see our own technology center. That's part of what I'm doing. Interesting.
Yeah.
All right.
The ribbon cutting is in about 5 minutes, and we are about to take our seats.
Regó-Fix is a Swiss company, if you don't know, and the train just pulled in the station because it's 10 o'clock on the dot. So we, in honor of that, we want to keep that tradition going. So yeah, it's so great to have you all here for this opening ceremony. I really appreciate you taking time. When you look around, there's so many people from, I was thinking of so many different countries, all over the United States. And this is our partner. This is our partner group. This isn't really open to the public, but we wanted to have an opening ceremony celebrating with our partners who are key to this all. Before you is an itinerary, probably of the plans for the day, of the morning. So if you have any questions, we'll try to move through this on time. Before I begin here, we have actually some distributor partners here. Thank you. Members of the media, many other supportive guests and visitors. And I can't brush this more out. They would throw the whole thing away. And Fritz is like, you have a perfectly good stick there. So that's how he thought. So that was the very first patented item. Then we heard of this little thing called the ER collet. The collet back in the day called the E-collet. Chauvelin had it. You had to pound it out with a hammer. Fritz made the invention of the extraction ring. And they said, what are you going to call this? They said, well, the old collet's an E-collet. What we can do, let's add the R for Regó-Fix. So for those that might not know that, the ER was invented by Fritz. It was named by our company, and it's the widest used collet system in the world to this day. Hey!
So the ribbon cutting ceremony just ended, and now we are allowed to go take a tour of the facility. They also have brunch for us. And for now, I'm going to walk around. So all these little kiosks here represent a different partner, and you can basically walk up to the little kiosk, You can steal a blazer barrel if you want to. Maybe take an end mill. Just kidding. So you can walk up to the blazer kiosk, for example. You can scan a QR code. It'll pop up the website. You have some information, probably some contact information if you're like interested in, you know, learning more about the product. Same thing goes for MCO. MCO has their website put up, and you know, you could flip through the catalog. You can look at their tools. They have a few samples there, which they have a really nice little kiosk. This is diametal abrasives and like cutting tools, and this is their website, and they have a cute little kiosk there too. So basically this whole back wall is different partners and information about each of them. Really nice setup. Okay, so now I am back in their showroom. They have this hallway here, and it has a few meeting rooms before you head into like the auditorium that they have over there. So here's a view of their auditorium. So back there, we have the little kiosk, you know, information kiosk about their partners. Around the corners where they have those little meeting rooms. Here's their auditorium, where they have 3 machine tools. They have Kitamura, they have Thornos, and then they have Kern. In front of me over here, they have another area that we are going to tour in a little bit. This is a little kitchenette coffee area, part of their showroom. Over here we have their power grip systems. These are manual systems, and over here we have the automatic ones. And what makes them unique is that they don't use heat, and they have a shallow taper design that allows them to have a higher clamping force and shrink fit, but most importantly, there's no heat involved.
Now, you heard that one cycle. That's pretty serious.
And over here we have some tools on display, and you can see that the various like different products have little different color labels. Like the baby blue color is part of their ER line, so ER tool holders, ER collets. The yellow greenish color is power grip holders, power grip collets, everything that you need for their power grip line. This is the first ever power grip unit. They have a little display case here with things that they've made, things that other people have made for them. In this back room here, they have a Herco machine where they make modifications to their products. If somebody brings in something and they want it modified, this is where they do it. Here you have a timeline of when everything started. 1950 was when the broom handles, that was like the first product that they made. And then 1988, you could read that if you can see it. 2017 is when they opened like the first part of the facility, and the CME that we're walking through today, that was opened this year. So Regó-Fix already had a location here, but that is their CME where, and again, the CME is invite only or for partners only right now. And hopefully eventually, maybe the next year, they will have trainings for machinists like me and you, and for schools. So we just left the SME center, Todd and I. Todd's driving me back to the hotel, and he's got a bunch of work to do. CME center. I have a bunch of
Pizza to eat.
Pizza to eat, and no, not just pizza. I gotta edit videos. Edit videos, reply to emails, blah blah. But look at this. This is
Beautiful.
beautiful center right here. Regó. So they already had this facility, and they just opened the other part, which is the SME center, Center for Machining Excellence, SME. CME, sorry, the CME, where they're going to do training for people like you and me, or you can pay, you can come and train. That is still in the works, but for as of right now, it's just for partners, people like, you know, Todd, Blazer, cutting tool people, things like that, and then later they will be doing more training and stuff for people like me and you. So what did you think of the event, Todd?
Thought it was awesome. They did a great job, represented the partners well. I like that they're already planning additional training type events for machinists that are learning, starting out, you know, so people that don't even know what a tool holder is, all the way through people that are working on medical devices and aerospace parts. There's a lot there. It's a great opportunity for the industry as a whole.
Yeah, they're big on the aerospace. I did hear that Regó-Fix pulled a guy that was working at Boeing, and so he is going to be the machinist, and he will be instructing some of the classes. But just overall, like, really great for Regó-Fix and, you know, what they're working on. Super great products. Excited. I've never used any Regó-Fix stuff, so super excited to get some of that in our shop. And yeah, going back to the hotel, dinner later, and then heading back home tomorrow. So just got back to the hotel room. The CME center was super awesome. Thank you so much, Regó-Fix, for bringing me out and showing me that tech center, machining center. That was really cool. Got some things to catch up on and then get ready for dinner in a few hours. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Small basketball court. That's not gonna work. What is it? What's that? Telling me that he's late or something, and then it said, nope, I'm here. Made it to Maggiano's for dinner. Did I mention that there's FFAers everywhere? God. Everywhere, but super excited, looking forward to this dinner. I'm kind of hungry. Finally got back from dinner. That was awesome. Thank you again, Regó-Fix. Back at the hotel right now. This was an awesome trip. I will catch up with you guys later, if not tomorrow morning. My flight takes off at 2 p.m. And I should be home by 6 p.m. Still time to hang out and do something, but we'll see you guys in a bit.